Hello students, welcome to Shorop Sir classes. This I'm solving this question from the previous year paper of National Talent Search Examination NTSE at the national level. So this is question number 59. So I have been given the direction that take the given statements as true, though in reality they may not be so, and decide which of the conclusions logically follow from the statements. So in the first we have all the cucumbers are carrots, some carrots are brinjals, and all brinjals are tomatoes. So these are the conclusions. So I have to find which of this following statement is true. So for that we can draw this Venn in this suppose in a Venn diagram. So we have all the cucumbers are carrots. So in this carrots, so we have in the cucumbers, all the cucumbers over here. Now some carrots are brinjals too. So these you can say, suppose these are the brinjals. Right? Okay. And all the brinjals are tomatoes. So from here we can infer this. So these are the tomatoes. Now check with the conclusion. So some tomatoes are carrots. So that is true. So some tomatoes are carrots. So this conclusion 1 we can say this is true. Now all carrots are tomatoes, which is not true, because some tomatoes are carrots. All the carrots cannot be the tomatoes. Some brinjals are cucumbers. Okay, some brinjals are cucumbers. So from this figure you cannot infer it from this particular figure. And the last option is all the brinjals are cucumbers. So we can omit the option 2 and 4 over here. The most appropriate the conclusion is the number 1. So number 1 is the conclusion 1 is obviously true. But you can check with the option 3 that some brinjals are cucumbers. Then in this case it has been not been mentioned in the statements. So if we have this suppose we have this carrots over here, so that's why it was different. So we have these cucumbers over here. Okay, so you have the cucumbers. Next we have the brinjals, and then the tomatoes will also be here. So if option 3 is to be true, so then this figure has to be correct. So out of this we can see that both the conclusion 1 and 3 follows. If we can go with the option D, and in that case the most appropriate conclusion is only the statement 1. Okay, so this one. So this one is the most appropriate statement. Some tomatoes are carrots. So we can go with this, that though we don't have any clue about this option, this statement conclusion 3, that some brinjals are cucumbers. So then this it has to be followed, which has not been mentioned in the statement. So we will move with this option 1, and then we will go with the option D in this particular option, that both the conclusion 1 and 3 follows. So question number 60, Aman, Ayaz and Ashwinder. So they have this are members of a joint family. Among them Aman is the eldest of all. Okay, and Aman is 6 years elder than Ayaz. Ayaz is 8 years elder than Ashwinder, and the sum of the present age of Aman and Ayaz is 5 times the age of Ashwinder 4 years ago. So here we can do this one thing. So what is let us consider the present age. So what is the present age? Let the present age of Aman be X, B, and the Ayaz be Y, and Ashwinder be the present age of the Ashwinder be Z. So now from the given statements, Aman is 6 years elder than Ayaz. So X is written as Y plus 6. That is one of the equation. And then we can write Ayaz is 8 years elder than Ashwinder. So Y is Z plus 8. And the equation is the sum of the present age of Aman and Ayaz, that is X plus Y is 5 times the age of Ashwinder 4 years ago. So it is z minus 4. So from here we can solve this. X plus y minus 5z equal to, this is minus 5 minus of 20, right? So this is minus 20. So 6x is equal to nothing but y plus 6. So y plus is 6 is z plus 14 plus z plus 8 minus 5z minus 20. So we have 2 over here. So minus 3z minus 42. So from here z is calculated as 14. So the age of Ashwinder is 14 years. Okay. Next, we have to find the age of Ayaz. So from Ayaz it is y plus, so 14 plus 8 it is 22. So age of Ayaz is 22 years, and age of Aman is x is 22 plus 6, that is 28 years. Okay. So the correct option is here in this case will be, we have to find the present age of Aman, so that is 28. That is the correct option is C.